y'all doing today, everybody? So we about to get this car cleaned up here. Well, the inside. I ain't washing the outside today, but
Not too far. Come here.
so we're gonna get the interior vacuumed out. I'll show y'all before and after picture of this, how this interior looks like. I started on the seat.
Oh yeah, there you go.
A little bit. I got the shop vac out here. Don't got the key to get in the shed to get the big boy out, the bigger shop vac out. But alright, y'all see this thing? And there's a big ass spider web, like right in my face. Like seriously?
Let him get it. Let him get it.
Did not. Alright, so let's move the fuse box thing. Finally getting this thing cleaned out. Y'all see it? Dirty and nasty in there. So this is before, you guys, and I'll show you after I get it started. Let's get this thing turned on. Starting to look a whole lot better down here on the floor. Now I have some stuff to spray down the seats. I don't have it here, but it's in my warehouse. They'll make it smell good. So I'll probably spray that on the seats tomorrow. All the stuff off the floor right here. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna do a lot of this. I know y'all wanna sit here and watch me vacuum, so I'm gonna do as much as this get done off of camera, or as much as I can off camera to get this done quick. Alright y'all, so so much stuff, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's like brown stuff. It looks like a nest or something. It looks gross that was all over this seat. Ooh, I guess it's like a nest. Ooh, that's big nasty. Oh, what the hell is that? Dirtiest car I ever had to clean out. Worse than this van that we bought before, like a few years ago. Yeah, but like I said, you guys, I think this design is dope because you got the back seat and then it's just the window right here. It's actually, this piece is kind of coming down a little bit, but it's all good. Goodness gracious, it's hot. I'm going to get the dirt off that I brought in. Y'all, looking a whole lot better, you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. I used to work in a rental car place back in the day, and that's what we had to do. Other than run cars to different places and stuff, down the road and stuff. But vacuum things out, wash them, and fill the gas tank. Tank up, vacuum the thing out, and run them to other places. Easy. Oh. All right, we'll go on the other side. Woo. What are you doing, boy? Yeah. Woo, I am sweating. All right. Gotta vacuum this side out. All right, let's get all this stuff out. You tell this thing smells like it's been sitting. Take the battery out. Give me a second. Trunk open. I'll vacuum this thing out too. It's really dirty in here. The nice Infinity speaker right here. Like he took one out. Like, why is this all this stuff off? I didn't even notice this till now. There's a lot of stuff off back here. He was trying to figure out everything. He got bulbs and stuff. All the animals is living. Let's put these seats down. Well, we'll do that one in a minute. Whoa, is this stuff blowing everywhere? We'll put this one. We'll put this one down. Hey, this is what people don't know. A lot of people don't know about these Tiburons. They may be a small coupe, but you can treat these things like an SUV. Look at this. You put the seat down. Look, you got all this trunk space. Look at that. You can fit big stuff in this trunk. You can even ride with the trunk open. Hey, Pumpkin. And look, they got the hard cargo backing on there. You can fit a lot of things in here. You can put stack. I folded them down. You can stack tires in here. Y'all can fit a bike in here. Probably if you got the help or a ramp, you could probably fit a moped in here. You can fit a mower in here, like a push mower. Get 2 of them in here. So y'all don't sleep on the Tiburon, okay? Don't sleep on. Let's see what's under here. There's a spare, more animal nest where they were living here, spider webs and all of that stuff. Big gross. All that shit's gonna be gone. All right. 1, 2, 3. After. Y'all saw what it looked like before. It's not perfect, but it's way better than it was. Way better than it was. Let me show y'all underneath of here. It was full of stuff under here. It's so much cleaner. I did all up underneath there. It was like the animals had made a nest in here. They were tearing out this stuff in here. I'm not gonna really show y'all, but you can see the yellow. They kind of tore this up, so all the stuff will like come out, and that's why you see all like brown stuff. But y'all see it. This is after. Y'all see that clean. I got the mats. How dirty those things were. I gotta put those back in, but you see the back seat or the back floors, the front seat. Look at the floor. Let's show you the floor. Got those things clean right there. These floors clean. I gotta get in there to like vacuum in there and then wipe out stuff. But let's show you the back. Put this thing up, but y'all see how the floors, clean the floors are. The seats need like a shampoo. Good deep clean on them. We'll put that back there. See where they bit into the plastic of that. Or also y'all can see in my previous videos of how dirty this thing was. I seen the floor over there. The floor over there is vacuumed and clean. The thing just needs the floor, the seats shampooed. Shampoo the seats. Them things will be nice and clean. I have some interior car cleaner, seat interior cleaner I should say, for cars somewhere. I have to find it, so Probably another video. I'll clean these seats down, make it look brand new, wipe it down, try to get it looking nice and clean and polishy. The cloth of that is actually just peeling, so I'm not too worried about it. Other than that, this car is in like damn good condition. Other than it could use a wipe down. As I say, we're gonna clean these door jambs and all of that, but clean all this out. But y'all see how it looked before. Look at the floors now, nice and clean. Wipe all those down. I saw the steering wheel previously. The thing was like brown, dirt covered all over it. I wiped it off. All this stuff needs to be just dusted and wiped down. But leave a comment and let me know what you guys think before and after of how it looks. I got it pretty damn clean, so y'all see it. Just gotta wipe the console off, the side of the console down here, and wipe the gear off and wipe the doors and all that down. I vacuumed this off. Like I said, the dude had pets. He had, so you gonna see some animal hair. He had I guess a dog that rode in here with them. But just wiping the doors down, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just take a sanitizer wipe and wipe everything down for now. And then I'll use my car cleaner and stuff later. I got all this stuff out. I'm gonna put this battery in the trunk. That stuff right there is trash. We'll get the mats back in. But it looks way better than it did before I started cleaning it earlier. So y'all see that it looks pretty damn good. If I don't say so myself. And then there's like a lot of dirt that was just caked up, like big clumps of dirt that was caked up along here. I vacuumed that out, and also on the other side, I did the other side, vacuumed that out. Other than wiping everything down, the only thing that he's done now is just cleaning the outside of the car, but the thing looks a hell of a lot better. But yeah, that was all this video was about, was getting this car clean today, you guys. So, again, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna get out of here. So yeah, I even got up there too. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, you guys. This was all the video was about, was cleaning this car, getting this car nice and clean and all of that. I'm gonna wipe everything else down. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Got some good stuff coming, so stay tuned.